Imagine a computer so small it can disappear into your setup, yet powerful enough to rival machines twice its size. Sounds like science fiction, right? That's exactly what Apple is preparing to deliver with the Mac Mini M5. For years, the Mac Mini has been Apple's quiet achiever. Always there, always reliable, but rarely stealing the spotlight. But this time, things are different. Apple wants you to pay attention, and the Mac Mini is finally stepping out of the shadows. Usually when Apple launches something, the world reacts differently. iPhones instantly dominate headlines. MacBooks trend worldwide, but the Mac Mini? Always been like the middle child of the Apple family, dependable, useful, but often overlooked. With the arrival of the M5 chip, however, that narrative is about to change. This isn't just another silent refresh. This is Apple declaring, don't underestimate the smallest Mac. Design has always been part of the Mac Mini's charm. A slim aluminum square, clean, understated, and designed to blend into any workspace. But with the M5 chip, Apple is expected to slim the Mini down even further, thanks to its energy-efficient architecture. Picture a polished slice of aluminum, even thinner, more refined, and more modern. On top of that, Apple may finally bring some fresh finishes. Imagine the Mac Mini in midnight blue, brushed dark aluminum, or even space black, no longer stuck in silver or gray, but a machine that actually matches your style. Then there's connectivity. We could see Thunderbolt 5's support, which means faster transfers and the ability to run multiple 6K or even 8K monitors. Add HDMI 2.14, higher refresh rates, and Wi-Fi 7 for blazing wireless speeds. And suddenly, this little box starts looking future-proof for creators, gamers, and professionals alike. But let's be honest, the real excitement comes from the hardware. Inside, Apple's M-series chips have completely redefined desktop computing. And the M5 is rumored to be a giant leap forward. With faster CPUs, an all-new GPU, and better multitasking, the Mac Mini M5 won't just keep up with creative workloads. It could replace machines that cost thousands more. Video editors will enjoy quicker exports. 3D artists will see smoother rendering. And yes, even casual gamers may finally feel that Macs aren't just about spreadsheets and video calls. And then there's AI integration. Apple's advanced neural engine will bring real-time AI processing directly on the device, meaning smarter photo editing, voice recognition, predictive workflows, and tools that adapt to you in real time without relying on the cloud. In short, the Mac Mini M5 isn't just powerful, it's intelligent. Memory and storage are also seeing huge upgrades. With support for up to 96 gigabytes of unified memory and lightning-fast SSDs, the Mac Mini can now handle workflows once reserved for workstations. And thanks to the chip's efficiency, all of this happens without bulky fans or noisy cooling systems. It's silent, compact, and incredibly efficient, proving that you don't need a massive tower PC to get serious power. Of course, we can't ignore Apple's pricing strategy. Reports suggest the Mac Mini M5 will start at around $699, just like the current model. It keeps it Apple's most affordable desktop. But don't let the word affordable fool you. Apple loves its tiered system, and will likely see mid-tier and high-end versions priced higher, offering stronger GPUs and more memory for professionals who need extra performance. The beauty of this strategy is that students, developers, and businesses all get an option that fits their needs, without Apple having to sacrifice the Mini's identity. So when can you get one? If Apple sticks to its 2-year cycle, we should see the Mac Mini M5 announced in spring 2025, it's likely March or April. These spring events are usually focused on Macs and iPads, which means for the first time in years, the Mac Mini could actually be the star of the show rather than a side note in the end. The Mac Mini M5 isn't just another refresh, it's a statement. It's proof that Apple sees this tiny desktop as essential to its future. It's small enough to sit in the background, yet powerful enough to stand center stage. And it shows that in Apple's world, small doesn't mean compromised. It means smarter, more efficient, and more adaptable. So what do you think? Is the Mac Mini finally ready to become a star? Or will it remain Apple's underrated underdog? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this breakdown, and make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into Apple's biggest launches. And don't forget to check out the videos linked on the end screen. We've got more exciting Apple coverage you won't want to miss.